Hello everyone, my name is Salman Hussain and I will be talking about globalization. Globalization is a worldwide movement towards economic, financial, trade, and communication integration. Globalization implies the opening of local and nationalistic perspective to a broader outlook of an interconnected and interdependent world with free transfer of capital, goods, and services across national frontier. The main features of globalization include liberalization is the freedom of the industrialist to establish industry, trade, or commerce, either in his country or abroad, free exchange of capital, goods, services, and technologies between the countries. Second is free trade. Basically, free trade between countries. It could be free trade between Eastern and Western countries, or it's just the absence of excessive governmental control over trades. Third is globalization of economic activities. Control of economic activities by domestic market and national market. The government can imply coordination of national economy and world economy. Fourth is connectivity. Localities being connected with the world by breaking national boundaries, faking out the links between one society and another, and between one country and another through international transmission of knowledge, literature, technology, culture, and information. The fifth is borderless globe. Borderless globe is basically breaking of national barriers and creation of interconnection. Transportation is the key driving force. Firstly, improvement in transportation technology has shrunk the world significantly. Secondly, less time needed to travel from one place to another. Increase of efficiency of transferring goods boost globalization. Communication in, improvement in technology has made communication faster and more convenient. Invention of advanced communication technologies, example internet, has allowed consumers to access information about new products and places easily. Second is TNCs. They operate in many countries and have production outside the country of origin. Example, Toyota Motor Corporation and Microsoft Corporation sets up operation in different parts of the world to source for new market and raw material that can lower the production cost. The effects of globalization includes enhancement in the information flow between geographical remote locations. Other than that, the global common market has a freedom of exchange of goods and capital. Besides that, there is a broad access to a range of goods for consumer and companies. Worldwide production market emerges. International criminal courts and international justice movements are launched. The standards applied globally, like patent, copyright law, world trade agreements, increases. These are the things which increases. Worldwide financial markets emerges. Multiculturalism spreads as there is individual access to cultural diversity. International travel and tourism increases. Advantages of globalization. The advantages of globalization include firstly, resources of different countries are used for producing goods and services. They are able to do most efficiently. Secondly, consumers to get much wider variety of products to choose from. Consumer get the product they want at more competitive prices. Companies are able to procure input goods and services required at most competitive prices. Companies get access to much wider markets. I Business and investors get much wider opportunities for investment. It promotes understanding and goodwill among different countries. Goods and goods and people are transported with ease and speed. The possibility of war between the developed countries it decreases. Free trade between countries increases. The disadvantages of globalization. Developed countries can stifle development of undeveloped and underdeveloped countries. Economic depression in one country can trigger adverse reaction across the globe. It can increase spread of communicable diseases. Unrestricted globalization can hammer the development of less developed countries. That's all for now.